Hello, we're here today to learn how to dilute the conditioner from John Living. The concentration is high, so what I do is I just empty my conditioner in a glass jar in a pump, and I will just add the same amount of the size of your conditioner in water. So let's just try to do this and see if we can go quick with this. Just empty here, and by now my hands are so slippery. So we grab that glass bottle and just mix it. Here we are. I gotta get the lid. So see the amount of conditioner that we can make just with that little bottle, and it's still very creamy and good for your hair. So in addition, I add to my Copaiba conditioner some drops of rosemary oil because it's good for your hair. So you can get like 10-15 drops of rosemary, and at the same time we can add cedarwood. Another 15 drops. Cedarwood and rosemary to enhance the conditioner. We can shake again. We add the pump and it's ready. Thank you for watching.